My son just got these tires for his four-wheeler, and he's been having a lot of fun with them. He's been testing them out in the snow, and the traction has been really good so far. They've got a deep tread that grips really well, even on slick or uneven ground. He's ridden through snow, dirt, trail, and they've felt steady and controlled, especially when turning. They feel pretty solid, they feel durable, and they seem like they can handle a rough riding without any issues. So these are the 22 by 11 by 9 size, and just a heads up, the rims aren't included, but they do come in different sizes though, so it's easy to find the right fit. Overall, these have been a nice upgrade for his four-wheeler, and they've been holding up really well. Definitely check them out.